In this segment, you'll see what's included in the box. Before you begin assembly, ensure all the parts and hardware are present. In the box, you should have one hopper assembly, Part 1, one motor mount bracket, Part 2, one control cable, Part 3, two mounting brackets, Part 4, two slider tubes, Part 5, one hitch mount assembly, Part 6, one switch bracket, Part 7, one spreader impeller, Part 8, one right hopper bracket, Part 9, one left hopper bracket, Part 10, one impeller shaft, Part 11, one rear deflector, Part 12, one hopper mount bracket, Part 13, one hitch mount bracket, Part 14, one control mount tube, Part 15, two U-bolts, Part 16. In the hardware package, you should have one 5/16 by 3/4 inch hex bolt, Part A, two 5/8 slot bolts, Part B, two 3/8 by 2.5 inch hex bolts, Part C, 1/4 inch by 2 1/4 inch carriage bolt, Part D, 1/4 inch by 2 inch carriage bolt, Part E, two 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch hex bolts, Part F, 6/4 inch by 1 inch hex bolts, Part G, one clevis pin, Part H, four 5/16 by 1 inch hex bolts, Part I, one hairpin agitator, Part J, one hairpin cotter, Part K, one impeller coupler, Part L, two 5/16 by 1 1/4 inch carriage bolts, Part M, 6/4 inch nylock nuts, Part N, 15 5/16 inch nylock nuts, Part O, two 3/8 inch nylock nuts, Part P, four 3/8 inch hex nuts, Part Q, two 1032 nylock nuts, Part R, six 5/16 washers, Part S, four 7/32 washers, Part T, two 1/4 inch nylon wing nuts, Part U, four 3/8 inch lock washers, Part V, eight 3/8 inch washers, Part W, four 3/16 inch lock washers, Part X, four 1/2 inch Phillips bolts, Part Y, one 3/8 inch Delrin bushing, Part Z, one vinyl cover, Part AA, 11 nylon washers, Part BB, three 1 1/4 inch cotter pins, Part CC, three nylon cable ties, Part DD, one tube plug, Part EE, one switch, Part FF, one motor cover, Part GG, one 12-volt motor, Part HH, one wire harness, Part II, one battery wire harness, Part JJ, four mounting brackets, Part KK, four 3/8 inch lock washers, Part LL, four 3/8 inch hex nuts, Part MM. To complete assembly, you will need two 7/16 inch wrenches, two 1/2 inch wrenches, two 9/16 inch wrenches,